and welcome to our Unity Prayer Service for June 2022. I invite you to take a few moments just to relax, to recognize the presence that holds you, that surrounds you. So as we get quiet and still together, we relax and know that we have chosen this very moment in time to focus intently on the silent, still power and presence within. As we begin, let us recognize that all the power and presence of God that has ever been is now and where we are. In our breath, we recognize power and presence. Immersed in divine peace, all is well with my soul. For I am in the presence and radiating the power of peace, here and now. In a state of peace, I recognize that no condition need cause me unrest. For peace is in my breath, flowing in my mind, vibrating in my heart. I am peace. All that I need to know flows from within. I am in the presence and radiating the power of wisdom, here and now. May I see, hear, and sense all that I need to know for the moments ahead, flowing from infinite, universal, divine wisdom. I discern and decide in trust. The energy of divine zeal lights up my body, mind, and spirit. I am in the presence and radiating the power of zeal and enthusiasm here and now. I never have to wait for circumstances to improve, to experience and express joy. For the joy of zeal is one of the ways I know that I am one with God. God is my good. I live in gratitude. I am in the presence and radiating the power of prosperity here and now. The good I seek is the good that God is. So in this moment, I choose thoughts of gratitude. I am an opening for good, a giver of good, going forward in fulfillment. I embrace the world with every thought of peace, steady in the presence and power that God is and I am. I am expressing the unifying power of divine love. I uphold the whole world and every being in the world with a steady mind and ready heart. Centered in peace, I am the radiating love of God. earth as it is in heaven. As we return awareness to the environment around us, we agree to take into the rest of our day the heavenly spiritualized thoughts from this time of prayer. We go in peace, in wisdom, in zeal, in prosperity. We go knowing that where we are, God is, power is, presence is. Let us close with the unity prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. Bless you and thank you for joining in this time with us.